Friuli, Venezia, Giulia, a borderland. A crossroads between three different cultures, Latin, Slavic and Germanic, which have each left their mark in the culinary traditions of the region. With the scent of upland pastures, Montasio is an alpine cheese recognised by the European Union. Originally produced by Benedictine monks, it is today entrusted to a consortium which safeguards its quality and production techniques. It is available fresh, semi-aged, well-aged and very mature. From the Carnia valleys comes frantumato, an extremely rare, recycled cheese which makes sure nothing of this valuable mountain food is wasted. When hung and looked at from afar, they look like guitars. To fully explore the flavours in Friuli, Venezia, Giulia, one must also sample its unique prosciutto. Unique because it comes from a unique area, the hills of San Daniele, halfway between the Alps and the Adriatic Sea, where the intersection of air currents guarantees a natural aging. The barbatelle, produced in Rauscedo, a municipality of San Giorgio della Rinconvelda, have been rooted in the land of Pordenone for almost a century. Small grafted grapevines that are exported around the world and give rise to some of the most renowned wines. But there are also wines characteristic to Italy, like the Frulano, Verduzzo, Schioppettino, Malvasia, Ramandolo, Ribolla and Rifosco del Poduncolo Rosso of the Red Steppe. As long as there are grapevines, there is hope.